My job is to graph this relation. Now, a relation is a group of ordered pairs or a set of ordered pairs. My job is to graph these. So I'm going to graph these on a coordinate plane. Now, let's, before we graph, kind of review what a point when graphed looks like. A point is given to you as an x and then a y. For example, you would be my x, you would be my y. If the x value is positive, you go right. If the x value is negative, you go left. If the y value, so in this case 7, 1, -7, so on and so forth, if the y value is positive, you go up, and if it's negative, you go down. So I have 5 points that I'm going to graph, and I'm going to use different colors to graph them. -2, 7 means I'm going to go left 2 spaces, then up 7 spaces. So left, I start out at 0, 0, also known as my origin, and I'm going to go left 1, 2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I put a dot there, and that is my coordinate, -2, 7. For 0, 1, notice that I have 0. So am I going to go left? Am I going to go right? No and no. I'm not going to move. But since the second number is a positive 1, I'm going to go up 1. So 0 means don't move. Up 1 means my dot is just up 1, and that is the point 0, 1. If I were to graph 3, -7, 3 is positive, so I'm going to move to the right 3. -7 is negative, so I'm going to move down 7. So you start at 0, 0, right 1, 2, 3, and then go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's my point right there in blue. Okay? Now I have 7, -2. Positive 7 means I go right 7. -2 means I go down 2. So start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 1, 2, and there's my green point, which is 7, -2. Last but not least, I have 7, 0. 7 is positive, so I'm going to go right. That's my first number. And 0 is 0, which means I'm not going to move. So I'm going to start at the origin, 0, 0. I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not going to move up or down because it's 0. And that's my purple point, my last point. Okay, so remember, when you graph coordinates on a coordinate plane, positive x means you go right, negative x means you go left. Positive y means you go up, negative y means you go down, and any of these are zeros means you don't move at all. Hope this helps.